two-hand method to move expeditiously through the weeding situation. Just like that. Two hands. Instead of cool hand Luke, two-handed Mary. Ripping roots with both hands. That was buried in there deep. But I got it. I had the patience to pull it without breaking it, so that I could have that whole root come right out. Now let's take a look. These are my jalapenos. So I have a baby jalapeno right here. So Cinco de Mayo was yesterday, but now I got a baby jalapeno. It's flowering, so it will get jalapenos, but no jalapenos yet. And then, let's see. I went to the one hand. It's gonna slow me down going one-handed. Better to go with two hands. But I'm gonna work it back. Two hands right there. Right there. Oops. Sorry if I grabbed your lower branch. Oh, I got a nice little one growing right here. See, this one is probably already an inch long. This one's nice. Lots of flowers up here for that. That's great. Loving it, loving it.